Hello everyone and welcome to Free Range Diva, where you will find helpful information to enhance your beauty and wellness routines. My name is Cheryl and today I have a review for you of another red light therapy LED face mask device. This LED mask promises more youthful looking skin, so brace yourselves because the before and after is going to be shocking. All right, let's do it. So we'll start today with the benefits of red light therapy. And according to the Cleveland Clinic, it can help to stimulate collagen production, boost new cellular growth, increase blood circulation to the area, and reduce inflammation in cells. I have notes here in case you're wondering. I'll be looking over. So the effectiveness of red light therapy is still being studied. And in clinical settings, it's still an emerging treatment. However, most researchers say that the results so far look promising, but that more quality studies with larger numbers of people are still needed. Some of the claims include that it can improve wound healing, reduce stretch marks, reduce wrinkles, fine lines, and facial texture, improve scars, psoriasis, rosacea, and eczema, improve acne, sunspots, and sun-damaged skin, and finally, improve hair growth in people with androgenic alopecia. So, of course, when CurrentBody contacted me and offered to send me their mask for a trial, I jumped at the chance. On their website, they say that the LED light therapy face mask uses only clinically proven wavelengths to reach up to 4 centimeters of skin tissue and stimulate the cells from within. They say that it's embedded with 132 of these LED bulbs. Red and near-infrared wavelengths are diffused with what they call their pillow technology, which allows for maximum skin coverage. The red light waves accelerate the production of new collagen, calms redness while creating an even skin tone. The near-infrared works beneath the skin surface to boost blood circulation, bringing oxygen and nutrients to the skin cells. They also say that the amount of light emitted is 31% stronger than any other LED mask on the market, which is pretty good. I guess if you're going to buy one of these things, you might as well buy the strongest one. They also say that their mask is clinically proven to reduce the size of wrinkles in just 4 weeks. The mask is made out of this flexible silicone, so the light can evenly penetrate every area of the face. And 97% of women who've used this report that their skin looks younger. Just wait. The befores and afters are coming. So when you order the kit for the mask, you get the mask, you get these goggles, which can be removed. That's what these are right here. You get a charging cable, the controller, which is what this is. This attaches to the cable on the mask. And when you charge this, you have to unattach it from the mask in order to charge it up. It also has an adjustable strap. It comes with a carrying and storage case, a user manual. In my order, they also threw in a few samples of their hydrogel face mask. This is the kind of thing that you can put on your face before you do your treatment and then put the mask on over it, and it says that it will enhance the results. I haven't tried this because I haven't really wanted to do a patch test. My skin's been kind of uber sensitive lately, so I haven't tried the mask, but I like the idea of putting something like this, like a gel mask over your face, and then putting the mask on top of it. So on the Cleveland Clinic's website, they say to always make sure to wear eye protection, which is why I have taken the goggles and I put them, they come out like that, but I actually put them here, and I always wear the goggles. And they also say to make sure that you follow directions, because this is not a toy. This is designed to make changes in your skin, and so you want to make sure that you're using it correctly. So I've been using this since May, so it's been about 15 weeks. I use it 3 times per week, and I've found so far that it's very comfortable, it's easy to use, and they recommend that you use it 3 to 5 times a week for each 10-minute session, and it's automatically timed to shut itself off after 10 minutes. I will put it on and listen to a podcast or music or radio, and the time just, flies by. Sometimes I also do it in the morning when I just wake up and I don't really feel like getting out of bed. So I'll just lay there, put the mask on, and just kind of think morning thoughts about what I want to do that day before I get up. So it's really, it's comfortable. So it's very easy to, just relax and let it do its thing. If you just decided that you did not want to use the goggles, then of course you could just put it on and go about doing whatever it is that you want to do that day. I find that just looking at my skin, that it looks brighter, smoother, more even. My freckles are less noticeable. And it looks to me like there has been a little bit of tightening in the lower quadrant of my face, about like that. Now, before I show you the before and after, I want you to know that it was the same location, same camera. I was in my bathroom facing a south-facing window. It was in the morning, right after I'd done my skincare. I didn't change any camera settings or angles or anything like that. And what you're about to see has obviously not been retouched. What? I mean, what? I'm floored. I am beyond excited. But sometimes you do these things and you think you see a difference, but you're thinking, well, maybe it's just wishful thinking, or it's, the placebo effect. Like, I really want to see a difference, so I'm seeing a difference, but no, there has been a difference. I mean, I literally look like I might have had some work done in this area. Now, I still use my neck handheld red light therapy neck device from L&L Skin, but I don't use it as much and this area up in here is just dramatically tighter than it was 6 months ago. So, wow, I'm thrilled, thrilled with the results. So although this device was provided for me to review, knowing that I could get results like this, I probably would have considered buying one myself, especially if I could catch a sale. Which, yes, this is a considered purchase. However, CurrentBody has given me a coupon code for 15% off. It's Free Range Diva, all one word. And their site also uses Rakuten, and the last time I checked, it was 2% off from Rakuten. So you have a chance to save a little money. Also, the device was on sale the last time I checked. So again, I hope that I've given you enough information that if you were considering something like this, that I might have answered any questions that you might have had about effectiveness, results, that sort of thing. Because I do believe that if you're in the market for an LED device like this, that you should definitely at least consider, check into CurrentBody, check their site, read their stats and all that other stuff. And then, make your own decision. I think that the CurrentBody device is worth considering because it's portable, it's convenient, it's easy, and, well, pictures don't lie. So let me know what you think. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll answer, whatever I can if you have any questions about my experience. And if I can't answer them, I am not affiliated with CurrentBody, but I can put you in touch with their customer service if there's, other questions that you have that I can't answer. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it and found it helpful, and please subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this, and that way you won't miss a thing here at Free Range Diva. Take care, and I will see you very soon. Bye!